Hey guys, Ben, back to another video called Nerf Gun Challenge. This is my Nerf gun, and there's the trigger on the side, and there's a little thing to shoot for you. Points, and this is how it works. Like you do this, if you don't want to use this one, you just take it out. If you do want to use it, just put it on.
This is for my life.
And so this is the...
Daddy, this is the...
What is this again, Dad?
This is the...
Buttstock.
This is the buttstock, and how it works, like you put it on your neck like
Daddy,
this.
This is the diamond from
And you can try
what
to shoot like that, and it's how it works. There.
Wait on this.
And one second.
This
So here we go. So thank you for watching. If I hope, just press the like on your YouTube channel, and see you later. Bye.
Wow.